Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to what? Where 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 125. Questions have given 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 125. So we can write here 2 to the power x is equal to 125 and 3 to the power y is equal to 125, or 2 to the power x is equal to 125 can be written as 5 cube. Now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 2 to the power x is equal to log of 5 cube. Or now here we can use logarithm formula, so this x move here and this 3 move here, so we can write here x times log of 2 is equal to 3 times log of 5. We need the value of x, so divided both sides by log of 2, we can write here x times log of 2 over log of 2 is equal to 3 times log of 5 over log of 2. Now this log of 2 and this log of 2 cancel out, so here we will get x. So or x is equal to 3 log of 5 over log of 2, but we need the value of 1 over x, so we can write here 1 over x is equal to log of 2 over 3 log of 5. Now here we can write 3 to the power y is equal to 125 can be written as 5 cube. Or now taking log on both sides, we can write here log of 3 to the power y is equal to log of 5 to the power 3. Or this y move here, so we can write y times log of 3 is equal to 3 times log of 5. We need the value of y, so divided both sides by log of 3. Okay, divided both sides by log of 3, we can write y times log of 3 over log of 3 is equal to 3 times log of 2 over log of 3, sorry, here log of 5. Now this log of 3 cancel out this log of 3, so here we will get y, or y is equal to 3 log of 5 over log of 3. So finally we can find out the value of y, so we can write here y is equal to 1 over y is equal to log of 3 over 3 log of 5. We can find out 1 over x plus 1 over y, so 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to, here 1 over x is equal to log of 2 over 3 log of 5 plus 1 over y is equal to log of 3 plus 3 log of 5, or here LCM is 3 log of 5, so we can write here log of 2 plus log of 3 is equal to log of 2 times 3 over 3 log of 5 is equal to log of 6 over 3 log of 5, and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.